All right, so we're back on this beast here. They've been using it. It's been working pretty flawlessly until oopsie, they managed to break a 90 mil pin. They think it's a dysfunction in the geometry. I'm not 100% sure. I ran my pin a little bit long, and then with this being a little bit long, it was hitting, and I think it might have been leveraging that pin, and just over time work hardened it and snapper. So I'm going to go ahead. I am going to ream these out this time to 90 mil instead of cutting the pin down to 3.5. We thought it was going to be a one and done, so we did the pin, but I'm going to make it so we can just slap a 90 mil pin in, because those are easy to get. So yeah, I got a bit of grinding ahead of me because I do not have a line bore. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so story time. When I originally grabbed this thing and I started to put it together, I had done this hole. This hole is 3.5 inches. The machine is 90 mil. Apparently, these holes were already 90 mil. I did not know that. So I was able to use the pin at the original bucket pin, and I'm able to use a keeper. So I'm tucked in, should be good to go. I'm gonna go crush some rock, make sure it's good. Basically, the downtime, that broken pin was because of me. I'm the doofus that caused it. So yeah, let's go crush some stuff and make sure this thing works. Well, not the best view. I happen to clamp this between my legs just for you to see, but she's crushing pretty darn decent, and I'm happy with her. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and say it's done again. Oh, and before judging my operating skills, it's been a while. Don't judge me, or judge me. I kind of suck right now. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got for now. See ya.